Hey my beauties, welcome back to the Bean. Today guys, I am doing a night routine 2020. Oh my goodness, you guys loved my morning routine. You guys blew that up with thumbs up and everything else. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this night routine a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you want to see any other types of routines. Like I can do a virtual school routine, I can do a work routine because I did start my job recently. Yeah, I can do all that fun stuff. So yeah, basically my night routine, I'm starting this video around 5:30. It's actually, let me look. Okay, it's 5:40, and tonight we are actually having dinner at my brother's apartment, so that's a little different because we have never done that before because he moved in there this year, and this is our first time ever having dinner with him. But I'll bring the camera, and then I'll come home, and then I'll do all my other stuff I usually do. But I usually eat dinner around 7 or 7:30. So, yeah, in the meantime, I usually just watch TV, or I just chillax. I relax, I fold laundry. I actually have some laundry to fold tonight. So yeah, basically let's just get started. I do a bunch of fun stuff, so let's go. Alright my beauties, we're at Shane's apartment!
Hi.
And we're gonna eat some bomb spaghetti. Yeah.
Show them
The magnets?
Yeah.
Ooh, look, Shane has all these cool magnets.
Yeah.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Ooh, and Ghostbusters.
Yeah. Hey my beauties, we just got back home from our brother's apartment. Usually, this is a little different because usually I eat at home, but I usually just wash up dishes, but since we ate over there, I don't have to do dishes, which is, yay, +1 for me. So usually now, I just chill out, and I brush my teeth, because it's about 10 now. Brush my teeth, I take off all my makeup, I usually put on some pajamas, and then I get in bed. Sometimes I'll read a book, sometimes I watch some TV shows. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay guys, I'm in the bathroom. You might remember this from my morning routine. And I just put on some Hello Kitty pants and kept this shirt because I realized something really funny. I was wearing a pajama shirt all day, but honestly it looks totally cute, so I don't really mind. So I got my toothbrush, and then I got this tube of Colgate toothpaste. I switched toothpaste. I had a different one last time, but I just got this tube. So yeah. I stopped brushing with this. I had some charcoal, but it's really bad for your teeth. They like break down on your enamel. So I stopped using this completely. And I use this mouthwash. Okay. I just finished brushing my teeth. I feel like so good. I'm actually not gonna use mouthwash. I feel clean enough. Like if you brush and then you still feel kind of icky, then I use mouthwash. But I honestly feel really good. And I also got some new dental floss. Right here. So I'm gonna floss. I'm just kidding. Next thing, I have a pack of makeup remover wipes. And I use these when I wear makeup. Some days I just don't wear makeup. I'm ornery. I don't put putting it on my face. But today I did my makeup. So I'm just gonna take all of it off. And you can see how hideous I look. Whew, okay, makeup is off. Looking a little dry. I look different. I know it's kind of embarrassing, but oh well. The shirt is super wrinkly. I don't know how, but okay. So since my acne is actually kind of bad, and I'm actually like trying to look at myself good, it is bad and it looks hideous, and I hate looking like that. So I have this, and I think I'm gonna use this on my face. So you can watch me. Okay, I'm about done with that, and as you can see, skin very clean now. I actually love this. I use this in my morning routine video. I love this. It smells amazing, and it's just great. I absolutely adore it. And I also clean these when I'm done. I clean this one pretty good. Because if you don't, they just get disgusting, and I hate that. Okay, I grabbed my hairbrush, and usually I brush out my hair really good before I go to sleep because when I wake up, it is actually insane. See what I mean? It's It's crazy. Okay, so I brushed my hair out and I feel a lot better. And I think tonight I'm gonna sleep with a fishtail braid. I cannot talk. So I have my finished fishtail braid. So see, I know what I'm doing and I know how to do it good. Yeah. Alright guys, so basically that's all I do is I put on my pajamas, I go in there, I freshen up, and tonight, since I have work in the morning, I'm just gonna hit the hay, going to sleep because your girl's tired and I have to be to work early. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and turn those post notifications on so you never miss an upload. I love you guys so much. Bye my beauties. I'll see you in my next video.